tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make your Chat GPT full screen. So let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, this is the problem. Sometimes when you're using Chat GPT, you're using to write code. The code appears only in this tiny box here, and you have to scroll to the left to see the rest of the code because sometimes the code gets cut off, and this can be a problem if you're trying to write a lot of code and just trying to glance through the code. It becomes tedious when you have to scroll to the left to see what's there. And no matter how much you enlarge your screen or reduce your screen, this doesn't it doesn't go away, right? So that can be annoying sometimes, and I'm just going to show you how to quickly remove that so that you can make your code the code appear full screen. Okay, so how do we do this? What we need to do is we need to use JavaScript. So we just click inspect, and then let me just widen this a little bit. So come to console, and in here we're going to write the JavaScript that we need. And I already wrote the code here. I'm just going to show you, and then I'm going to explain what's going on in this code here. Oops. Okay, so basically what's happening is the elements on this page, like this box here, and this one, they are all called they have a class called text base. So what we're doing is we're using JavaScript to select all the elements on the page, and then for each element, this is just a loop that goes through the elements, and for each element we're giving it maximum width. We're setting the width to 100%, and we're making the padding on the left side, the padding on this side 20 pixels, and the padding on the right side, which is the padding on this side, 20 pixels. And when we do that on the page, if we just do this function here, it just does that once, and all the code on your page previously would have this, but we want it to happen as long as we're on this side. So we're going to use a set interval to run this code here every second. So that's basically what we're doing. I'm just going to copy this now and put it in here, and once I just paste this here, right, so now you see that it's become full screen like this. And now because we're using the set interval, if I come here and I type and say, let's say generates a quick let's just say hello world app in React, and as it's generating the code, all the code is going to be full screen like this. So now if potentially if there were long pieces of code here, we would not need to scroll to the left to see that. I hope that helps someone. If you find this useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, because I'm going to be sharing a lot of tips on this channel. Thank you.